Okay, so Nasser, as you know, thanks God, the war has ended. But the true question is to know what will happen now. Will the market be affected by this or not? What's your thought?
I don't really think this is going to affect the market very much. The GCC is very neutral with most countries. The UAE especially has good relations with America, has good relations with Iran and Israel. So I don't see this being a problem. And another thing is the GCC is well known to have the safest statistics worldwide. It's the safest countries you can go to are in the GCC. And
Correct.
about the prices, I do see a correction happening soon. There's going to be a price correction happening towards the end of the year. It's only natural that prices correct after a few years of just going up. It's since 2021, the prices have just been going up. So eventually, there needs to be some stability, and you know,
Yes, correct. I can see actually even this happening more in the secondary market.
yeah,
Why? Why the reason? Because the thing is, that's the funny thing. Usually, you think about getting a cheaper unit on the primary market, correct?
yeah,
But because the demand of like in high quality properties are so high that the developers kind of shift from the previous type of market, which is the normal quality, to a super high standards.
yeah.
So it more likely you will see cheaper prices on the secondary market than in the off-plan properties.
I agree.
Of course, we have a few hot clusters right now, like a few cities, I could say, that they are in hot topic, which is Palm Jebel Ali,
Yeah,
because of the villas. If you see, like if I compare, for example, to Palm Jumeirah, you can to there you can have starting prices for close to 25 million, and you can get the same mansions, like the same size, sort of size, and you have a good payment plan, which is the problem. If you want to purchase in Palm, of course, you only can purchase or through the bank or with cash, but you don't unfortunately have the payment plan because it's a very old project. It's
yeah,
like what, 2004. And another interesting area, if I say it, is which is like I could say in a mixed style, is Dubai Hills, because Dubai Hills you have not only mansions, you have apartments, you have townhouses, you have twin townhouses, just name it, you have everything. And it's because it's a sort of like a city. You can get the clients from actually from all the budgets. I could say now the next topic, which is probably the most important from all the new projects, is Creek Harbor. And why you're talking about Creek Harbor? As we said in the previous videos, we have the blue line,
yeah.
and this blue line will be connected to all these areas between from Creek to close to Silicon Oasis. I probably already heard that we'll have this biggest tower in the world, which will be
Yeah.
in Creek Harbor, and of course this is a massive city, and eventually you have malls there, you have probably villas too.
Yeah, I've been there. I stayed there for a while actually. It's one of my favorite places in Dubai, Creek Harbor. Even when I'm just driving down the road on Al Khail Road and I look at Creek Harbor, I just see it like it's its own cluster of buildings. It's very beautiful. All of the buildings are brand new. It's just like it's a new downtown. That's what the plan is. The whole Creek Harbor is going to be like a
Drop the
new
mic.
downtown.
Exactly. It's actually even recognized by most of the people.
Yeah.
So it'll be like the new downtown. Of
Yeah.
course, downtown is like a
Downtown
city
on steroids.
itself. Team downtown. Well, my team is Team Creek Harbor because we can sell something there. I cannot sell anything in downtown as was sold long ago,
Yeah.
and we don't work in resale in that area.
Yeah.
But yes, if you're looking for properties, of course, we can provide. There's so many different towers we can offer. There is so many new
And it's all
projects
by
coming.
recognized developers.
Yeah, there
All
are
of them.
projects. Some of the buildings will be ready in the next year. Some of the buildings will be ready in the next, let's say, 5 years. So you can choose like payment plan. You know what? I rather just to take a 5 years payment plan because I feel more comfortable paying for my money. And this is the beauty of purchasing off plan. Of course, again, it's more expensive because of the quality. It's funny to say that the primary again market is more expensive,
It's all a market.
but again, it's we're talking about easy payment plans and high standards.
Yeah.